Hi everyone, this is my crepe ready to go, and this is my whipped cream, and for the filling, my ripe yellow mango. Okay, so today we are going to make a crepe cake. So we are going to start now. First, we are going to put some whipped cream at the bottom, and then we place our first crepe. Huwag kang umikot, day. And this is our base. There you go. And we put another cream. Ano lang, manipis lang yung gawin natin para hindi mag-umbok. Kasi kailangan nating pantayin yung ating cake. So just like this. Ganyan. And then lagay tayo ulit ng isa. Kailangan natin gawing sentro lahat. Ayan. And we put our mango, which are thinly sliced. Diba? Pagka-nipis nito, guys. Ayan. Gandahan natin. And then another one. Ano lang, alternate lang yung paglagay natin dito para ano. Yan. So, lagyan natin ng konting whipped cream din. Sa paligid, ganyan, paikot-ikot lang. And then, another crepe. Whipped cream. Another crepe. So, ganito lang yung paglagay. Paulit-ulit lang. And then, after nito, isang crepe ulit and then yung mango ulit. So, ganun lang. And then, I will see you after nating ma-assemble to. And we are down to our 24th crepe. Last one. Ibabaw niya, isa na lang. We are going to make it clean. And to our 25th crepe. There you go, guys. So, ito.
Diba?
Siyempre.
Kapalan mo.
Ayan na nga. Yung last, pang 25 na crepe natin. Kapalan ko daw ng frosting. So, kakapalan natin. May director ako dito eh. So, ayan. Kailangan maganda, walang messy.
Dagdagan mo pa. Hindi ko na ibubulong kasi narinig eh.
Ayan, dadagdagan pa natin. And we are going to make this baby beautiful. There you go, guys. And now we are going to top it with mango, which are thinly sliced. Struggle ang pagkat dito. Here are the very thin mangoes.
Ay, mamot naman tayo.
I-adjust mo manang. Okay. So this is the first one. Mind you guys, my hands are clean. And then, ang bango ng mangga. Second one. Diba? Kung mapapansin niyo, super thin. Translucent na siya. Sa sobrang nipis ng kanyang pagkakahiwa. And ayaw pa matanggal. Ayaw pa humiwalay. Parang ikaw lang, niloloko ka na, ayaw pang humiwalay. Charot. There you go. Oh my God, bakit ganun? We're going to put it another one here. Yan. So, this is my 25 layer mango crepe cake. Yan. Isn't it beautiful, guys? Diba? And we are going to ransack now. After natin pinaghirapang ayusin, hihiwain na natin siya. Yo! After ilang oras, yan o, diyan na yung ating mango crab cake. Sarap! So guys, the moment of truth. Dali. Oh my God. Oh, lapit mo, Day. Yan. And, paano ba? Baan muna natin. Oh, tama na yun. And then, on this side, oh my gosh. Super lambot. Kasi the knife goes through at the middle na walang kahirap-hirap. And, eto na nga. Tingnan natin. Oh my gosh. This is it. This is it. So tall. OMG. I am so happy with the result. As you can see, oh my God, ang nipis. And then the mango, as you can see, being placed on top of the other. And this is the beautiful mango crab cake. Oh yeah! Dahil sa taas, kinati na namin. Kaya yan. Diba ang ganda? Tapos ganyan lang nangyayari. Ang hirap namang tignan, guys.
Sarap mo?
Sarap! The taste is just moderate. Yung tamis niya. Sakto lang. Tapos yung cream, yung mango, super nice, super sweet. Oh, diba? Sarap!